Union Minister of State for Education R.K. Ranjan Singh interacted with accommodations, head of institutions, faculty from NEHU, teachers of various colleges and schools during an interaction on the theme Educational Vision for North East India and NEP 2020, organized by the Asian Confluence on Wednesday evening. In his address, Singh observed that the NEP 2020 has clearly spelled out that schools and institutions up to Class 12 should have smart classrooms besides introduction of virtual and digital labs. Singh further said that as per the advice of the Prime Minister, the printed content should be meaningful and precise while the explanation and referencing of the content will be in digital mode. Singh said that the NEP 2020 is based on the 4 pillars of equality, equity, affordable and employable.
The then UGC chairman, one multidisciplinary subject. Basically, it is based on 4 pillars. One is quality, another is equity, affordable and employable. These are the 4 basic pillars of the National Education Policy 2020.
Meghalaya Education